Don't stop. Okay, here's some fun. How is those awesome conversations? Sure. Yes, now me to my awesome people I met, my spectacular peoples, the awesome people you. Hey, we're gonna switch over to the next activity right now. And what we're gonna do is Nikki Meeks is at the door and she wants us to follow her outside. So yeah, we're gonna go outside for the next bit, and then for the last bit we'll come back into the funny for some more camera. Cool? We'll rock that up.
This is so cold.
Yes, Mami, foto tayo.
Okay.
Who was it? Dana? No.
I can't remember because I thought yeah, you know, like, I was like, alright, Califano, can you hear me all good? Yep. Woo, I can hear myself. Okay, so I just want to play a quick game with you guys, if that's all good. I thought it would be cool to come outside, so we're under like the beautiful sun, and we get to like enjoy it before it goes away. So, real quick, I'm just going to split the circle in half. So from you, sis, probably? Yeah, from you. We're just going to split the circle. I probably should have done this before, but let's do it real fast. And then I want you guys to make 2 lines going this way. Cool? So I'll give you 10 seconds. There, go! I can't understand it. Just 2 even lines going this way. Alright, okay. I'm just going to push you back. Give each other some space. So you're not elbowing them in the face. Yep, keep going. Thanks. Oh wait, we're going out. No. Alright, this game's called Pulse. Have you guys played it before? No. Pulse. Okay, so the aim of the game is that obviously when... Are you gonna play? Okay, sweet. So obviously you might be facing someone, if not all good. But what's gonna happen is these people that are next to me are gonna grab my hand. Grab my hand. Okay? And everyone's gonna look that way. Okay? I'm just teaching you at the moment. And what I'm gonna do is you're just gonna hold hands. So everyone's gonna hold hands in your line. Yep. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze their hands, and you're gonna carry on the pulse. So say if you got like a little bit of a nudge from your friend, that means you want to carry it on. So it's kind of like the fastest team to get through the whole line. The in person, if you can hear me, the in person is gonna run up to me and slap my hand. Cool? So it's a bit of a race. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll know if they cheat. Alright, let's have a bit of a trial. Okay, so we're all gonna look that way. And just wait till you feel their pulse, okay? Yeah, so the in people are gonna run to me. Cool. Okay, ready? Now you guys gotta be looking that way. Everyone look that way. Yeah, that way. No, you just gotta wait till you feel the squeeze.
Our line was closed.
Stop to that side. Alright.
Shut in. Actually, how it?
I'll try to
Might be carrying some
Come on, say.
Alright. Swim the line. Not my brain. Okay, me.
You told me you weren't gonna be serious.
One more, that's us.
Five hands, go.
One more, two more. Okay. Okay, everyone look that way. One of you cheated! Sorry. I think I'm taking too long.
I think we got more people.
Is it supposed to take this long?
You don't know what's coming down there, do you?
One more. Everyone looking that way.
False stop!
That side. One more. Okay, you guys gotta feel it. Not feel it. Alright, one more. Last one.
Your first one's way shorter.
I think she's still inside. But yeah.
What's it? Oh, your t-shirt.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yes. It's a bit chilly out here, eh? Oh, I don't know if he's got pulse or what.
So yeah, real quickly from us, from Jerry Lee, we really just want to say thanks heaps for letting us come and have a jam with yous. Ship my brother Meeks. And yeah, if the sun goes down, man, have a beautiful night, have a beautiful afternoon, have a beautiful wānanga this weekend. It sounds amazing. I've got the agenda, my desk at work, and my Stella's, some little hair, chilling with yous. And but hey, we'll be thinking about yous heaps. And some of our team will be out here tomorrow to do some more energizers before some corridor or some speaking something. So yeah, it's from us. Lots of love and much peace. Keep well. Keep smashing for the future, y'all. Right now and the future, that's y'all. Cool?
Cool. Right, so we're going to head back on the inside. We've got a workshop happening before we go to dinner. Cool. So head back on in. Grab your stuff too if you've left anything out here.